everybody, it's Emma here from Just Fabrics, and today we are showing you some of our ticking fabrics. So a ticking fabric is a classic herringbone design. It can be cotton or linen, and our one is a customer favourite. It's really great quality at an affordable price, so come and take a look. So what's great about ticking fabrics is that they can be used for a range of projects, whether that's curtains, blinds, cushions, but they also have a 25,000 Martindale rubbed house result, which means they are a great choice for upholstery too. So you could use it for a headboard, an armchair or a sofa. There's lots of possibilities. Ticking fabrics are also washable at 30, so you could do some loose covers, or you could do like a window seat. There's lots and lots of things you can make with a ticking fabric. So our ticking fabrics come in a wide range of bright colours. We have recently added 3 new colours, which is burnt orange, teal and sap green. We have a wide range of neutral fabrics in the ticking. This one here is grey, which is a classic colour for a ticking stripe fabric. This fabric could be used for a headboard or some cushions or some curtains. Grey is a really popular colour for interiors, so the possibilities are endless. So this is the red ticking fabric, and it's a really great choice for interiors because it can suit a range of projects. Ticking fabrics coordinate well with florals, pattern fabrics, checks, so you could use this for some floor-length curtains, a Roman blind or some cushions. So there's lots of possibilities with the ticking design. Take a look on our website or head to our showrooms now.